Now let's imagine that you have a patient who has arteriosclerosis of the common carotid artery. This is the artery that supplies the brain. If there is a stiffening of this artery, then this artery is somewhat blocked and there's increased resistance and decreased flow. So we'll take a look at how arteriosclerosis can lead to a decrease in blood flow. So here is arteriosclerosis. The artery has become narrower. There's narrowing of the artery. So vessel radius decreases. We know that if vessel radius decreases, then resistance must increase. So when resistance increases, blood flow decreases. One way to treat this is to introduce a stent. A stent is a coiled structure that, when introduced into the artery that has been narrowed due to cholesterol accumulation on the sides. So there's your stent, the little coiled white structure that you see. It actually widens the artery. It keeps it open, wide open. So how does stenting help to increase the blood flow? Stenting will widen the artery. When it widens the artery, it increases the vessel radius. When the vessel radius increases, resistance goes down. When the resistance goes down, flow increases and goes back to normal. So the main factor here is vessel radius.